Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how can we write an algorithm and how can we calculate the time complexity of I am taking a problem statement of finding the largest element in a list of n numbers. So to write an algorithm we need to follow some steps. So first step 1, in the line 1 we need to determine our problem statement. So my problem statement is determine the value of the largest element in a given array. Now in the next line I need to provide my input. So my input is an array of size n, which is denoted as a bracket 0 to n minus 1 because it is starting from 0. So 0 to n minus 1 of real numbers. Now in the next line, I need to provide my output. So my output is the value of the largest element in a. Now in the next steps, we need to write the algorithm of the finding the largest element in a list of n. So I'll write the algorithm. So this is the algorithm I have. I have initialized a Maxwell value with a of 0 say, and after that I have initiated a for loop from I equal to 1 to n minus 1 tak. I need to do if a of I is greater than max value. I need to compare max value and a of I, and if a of I value is greater than max value, then I need to assign the a of I value to max value, and in the last I need to return the max value. So this is the algorithm I have. Now to calculate the time complexity, I have denoted the time complexity as C of n, complexity of n. So for the time complexity, what we see is in the algorithm how many basic operations are performed. So if we see in our algorithm, there is only one basic operation is performed, that is the comparison basic operation. So we have compared a of I value to max value each time for the for loop from I equal to 1 to n minus 1. How many times we have performed? From 1 to n minus 1. And what we have performed? We have performed a basic operation of comparison. So we have taken the summation from I equal to 1 to n minus 1 till when the loop is getting looped, and the basic operation is comparison. So we have only one comparison, so we have written as 1. So C of n will be, so formula for this one is, if anyone doesn't know, that summation of I equal to lower limit to upper limit and a constant. So what we will do is upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. So upper limit n minus 1, lower limit 1, and plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So C of n will be n minus 1. And we are taking the time complexity. So what we take in time complexity is highest power. So here 1 can be written as n power 0 and n is n power 1. So highest value is n. So time complexity will be big O of n. So highest complexity belongs to big O of n. So this is the time complexity we have for the algorithm of largest element in a list of n numbers.